Hi everyone, Alex Kennedy here with REV Car Wash, and this week we're going to be focusing on the fabric and the carpet of the interior of your car. Now with this product explicitly, called Scotch Guard, you have to make sure that it's shaken very well. So, let's get started. For this product, all you need to do is spray. Spray the inside of your car in areas such as fabric seats, carpets, and the floors. Allow to dry, and you're good to go.
Thank you for joining us this week on Tips and Tricks. I'm Alex Kennedy. Make sure to follow REV Car Wash on all social media platforms. #REV Your Ride, and we'll see you next week.